Hey guys, it's Zoe, and welcome to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. Today we're going to be making something quick, healthy, and sweet. Oh, and it's so good. And Oliver likes it.
What a goof.
We're making energy balls, and here's what you need. Now you put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to harden. Now it's time to set a 30-minute timer. But remember, guys, it's the 21st century. Alexa, set a 30-minute timer.
30 minutes, starting now.
An eternity later.
It's been 30 minutes. Now it's time to take out the energy balls and roll them. You should make about a 1-inch size ball. And this is how you roll them in your palms. About this size. And make sure your hands are clean. You better not be serving anybody Corona. Now it's time for my professional taste tester. Hey. Here you go.
Wow.
Can you talk?
Rating from 1 to 10.
Hold up your fingers.
There we go. But just to be fair, I'm going to let my cameraman taste it.
Yes. No.
Ugly. Okay. Thanks for watching. I had fun cooking with you today. Make sure to click the subscribe button and smack the like button. See you on the next one.